Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to wash a mud water pot. Start by emptying any remaining water and debris from your mud pot. Give it a good rinse with clean water to remove loose dirt. Then, gather your cleaning supplies, a soft sponge or cloth, and a gentle, unscented soap. This initial preparation is key for a thorough and safe cleaning process, ensuring your pot remains in excellent condition for future use. Now, apply a small amount of your mild, unscented soap to a soft cloth or sponge. Gently scrub both the inside and outside surfaces of your mud pot. Focus on any areas that appear stained or particularly dirty, but always use a light touch. The goal is to clean effectively without damaging the natural porous surface of the clay. After scrubbing, rinse your pot thoroughly under running water. It's crucial to remove all traces of soap, as clay can absorb residues. Continue rinsing until the water runs clear and you can't feel any slipperiness. Once rinsed, let your pot air dry completely in a well-ventilated spot. This prevents mold and ensures the pot is ready for its next use. To keep your mud pot in top condition, always avoid harsh detergents or abrasive scrubbers, which can damage the clay. Regular, gentle cleaning prevents mineral buildup and keeps your water tasting fresh. When not in use, store your completely dry pot in a cool, dry place away from direct sunlight. Proper care ensures your pot lasts for many years.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.